Hey guys, what's up? It's the Multiverse here. Today we are unboxing the Apple Watch SE.
So, we'll start by unboxing the Apple Watch SE, and after unboxing, my friend will tell you the specs and the features. So, as you can see, the box packing, as you all know, Apple gives every time a nice packing, and you can see over here it's specified SE. And now I'll go through the some specs given on the box. So, it is a 44 mm Apple Watch SE given with a space gray aluminum case with black sport band. And you must be thinking why I chose the regular version. I choose the regular version so that I like regular things with the Apple introduced and so that I can buy other things.
It's easy.
So this product was manufactured on 2020 and now it includes an Apple Watch and in black color regular Apple band, a charging cable and a power adapter which you people have to buy separately from the Apple store or the online Apple app. So let's start by unboxing it. From here my friend Karthik will take it on to show you people how it looks. So my friend Karthik will unbox the band and then after that we both will unbox the phone. So as you can see, he's
This is the
removing
band.
it. So as you can see, this is the band.
This is the band.
Now he's going to unbox and show you people the band. So you can see the packing of Apple is very nice. And
This is the band itself. Fabulous.
And as he told, it's a fabulous band as well. And now Apple provides a very nice feature for all of you guys. The very nice feature is that this one which you can see is a regular band which is for people who have big hands, and these are given in every watch. You people might be thinking this watch strap is given in all the watch brands, for example,
Yes.
like Samsung, MI, all the watch brands, OnePlus. But this one is a smaller version of it, where only Apple provides it for the people who have a small hand, for his and for customers, for all its beneficials. So you people can see it, right? We'll put this aside. Now, me and my friend will unbox the dial. The dial is the most important thing. And another suggestion for Apple is that if they also given cleaning cloth with this, it would be very nice thing for the cleaning of the watch, since many of them make sure that it gets spoiled very frequently.
Yes.
So, as I told you, it's a SE 44 mm black sport band, cellular and GPS
Very
version.
nice.
And this is pricing of 36,900 rupees
Very
at,
cheap for Apple products.
yeah, at retail price. And the month of year and import was February of 2021. And let's start it. My friend will help you unbox it. So here's the beauty, guys. Now
The
my friend
beauty.
will remove it.
This is a screen. This is for sound. This is for your SIM card. Mic, speaker.
So we'll put it back in the box. And it's very heavy, as you guys can see.
And heart rate.
Yeah, and even in red light, green light blinks whenever you're doing some exercise. And as you can see, designed in Apple by California.
Assembled in China.
Ina. So you also get some tips how to use the Apple Watch and how to charge it magnetically with the magnetic charger, which is given in it. Now we'll put this aside. Now, along with the watch, we also have a magnetic charger given. And this magnetic charger, a nice thing done by Apple, which comes included, and if it's sold separately, it costs more than 2000 rupees. So it's nice to get like this. So after putting all of these things aside,
Let
now
us read some of the specs.
let
My
us read
friend
some of
here
the
in the
specs.
blue shirt will do it.
So it was available in India and released on 2020 September 18, and its dimensions are 30, 44 into 38, and the platform is OS and Watch OS 7.0. From here, my friend will carry on.
Platform OS Watch OS 7.0, upgradable to 7.5. Chipset Apple S5, which is a lot. Memory card slot, it's not there. Internal 32 GB, 1 GB RAM. Camera, no. Sound loudspeaker, yes. 3.5 mm jack is present. NFC is not present. Radio is not present. USB is not present. Features, sensors, accelerometers, gyro, heart rate, second gen, barometer, always on altimeter, and compass.
So,
Charging, wireless charging.
So, as you have heard many things from my friend, and Apple, another thing, this charger which was given, I told that it's a nice thing by Apple including it. But if they also give the adapter, it will be very nice because the adapters of Apple are very costly and
Yes.
it ranges from 1,950 to nearly 4,000 rupees.
Yes.
So, before closing up the video, please write in the comment section how did you feel about our video because this is the first video uploaded by Masti Brothers. So, as you can see the watch and the bands and everything which we have shown, I think you all might like it. So please like, share and subscribe to Masti Brothers and do not also forget to hit the bell icon which is there beside your subscribe button. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.